Have you ever heard of Flekkefjord? Most travelers drive past this small coastal town on their way between Stavanger and Kristiansand. But sometimes the most unforgettable places are the ones few people stop to explore. Today, just over 9,000 people call Flekkefjord home. Nestled on the southern coast of Norway, this charming town is known for its peaceful harbor, colorful wooden houses, and relaxed atmosphere. Walking through the old streets feels like stepping back in time. Narrow lanes, historic wooden buildings, flowers in the windows, and quiet little corners invite you to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. Along the waterfront, boats gently sway in the calm water, while the harbor reflects the colorful houses that line the shore. One of the town's charming landmarks is its small bridge, offering beautiful views across the harbor and connecting different parts of Flekkefjord. Just outside the town, you will find something truly unique. The historic Flekkefjordbanen Railway no longer carries regular trains. But today, visitors can explore the old railway on specially designed rail bikes. The route takes you through tunnels, across bridges, and alongside beautiful Norwegian landscapes, offering a completely different way to experience this region. Flekkefjord is not famous for grand attractions. Its beauty lies in its simplicity, a peaceful harbor, quiet streets, a relaxed atmosphere. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure.